So another welcome for football and Pidgin after match talk how you see am. Brentford 4 and Manchester United 0. And we get Oga Rupert here, may come tell us about how you see the game. Oga Rupert, now how you see the match?
As you see Man U like this, so that club for now, not just get hope for them at all. That make them not just get hope for over top seven, Conference League seven, and not get hope at all.
So they not see Conference League play safe next season.
So the way they go, they're not gonna just see Conference League.
The way we dey see Man U now, we know say things not dey go well. Now what do you think say need to improve for the next games? Now season just the start, 2 loss already. Eh? And okay, they score 1 goal against Brentford. We want to say they never score, but they don't score. So but what do you think say need to change for Manchester United for the next round of games?
Like I say, I know say their fans go blame the coach, but to me the coach is not really the problem. The coach not the problem. What they need to do, they need to clear out some of those dead wood, all those old players. And those players now I go ask for it to clear out. So maybe not just they get hope for this season, so they go feel clear the old players come on. Maybe they just they pull up say okay, more wait for next season. As the team they go like this now, maybe they just but I want to okay, maybe they pull up say this season now you are rebuilding season.
They won't build.
Maybe they just get that from
Maybe they
mind.
don't expect too much
more
things.
from the coach. Maybe they just give the coach time to work on a squad way.
You
That
talk it.
coach, he get better CV. Don't work with Guardiola, don't work with how many people before he get higher job. So maybe just give him a chance, maybe he build in team to his satisfaction. Then maybe they expect from the coach.
You talk about Deadwood and rebuilding now. And for any team where they go through rebuilding process like that, they're going to need to sell some players and buy some players. Like how many players you think say man you need to sell and how many man you need to buy for things to begin better for the club?
I go say the whole starting 11, the whole starting 11 need to go normally because I never see wetin most of them dey do for the club. Maguire, Shaw, all of them, they need to just bin those players. Even that guy with the bad, their new right back.
Lisandro Martinez.
No, that other guy now when they buy for Ajax, Marshall, been out Mashallah, been out with that name.
Mashallah or something, the left back.
Yeah, that guy. So I never will see any impact from man right now. I never see any impact, but I see they give am time say because na new signing man just dey look am. But for now, the whole squad no need to go.
So the whole squad, for you, the whole squad needs to go. Man, you need to bring in new 11 for us to know say they're serious. But with waiting you to see from this manager now, you think say people need to they worry for the manager if na him be the right manager for Manchester United?
For me, I go say they don't need to worry that much. They just give am time. Most we not fit judge am for the first 2 games of the season. Most when the season don dey go far first, most see how he won't behave. Then we go know say okay, this one whether I go fit finish top for or na sack na go end down.
So, but now, I know say you know be Man U fan, you be Chelsea fan. But what till you get to tell Man U fans?
My own for my youth is say make dem not to get much expectations because they go fit dey hope say they wan win league or finish top 4. Make dem just dey hope for Conference League this season. Na be just the best advice I fit just give them because if they carry their hope go up much, they go dey very disappointed.
Man U next game na against Liverpool. Now how you dey see that one?
Liverpool na scoreline of last season again na. That 5-0 last
So
season.
they'll collect again for Liverpool.
Collect back to back.
All right now, Oga Rupert, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.